Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today we follow Emma on her first day at English class. She is a little nervous but ready to learn. Listen carefully and repeat the simple sentences.
Good morning. Today is my first English class. I feel a little nervous. I want to learn English step by step. Small steps every day. Notebook, pen, phone, wallet. Everything is ready. Okay, let's go.
Keywords: morning, notebook, pen, ready. Key sentences: Today is my first English class. I am ready.
The weather is nice today. That makes me feel calm. I hope the class is friendly. I want to make new friends. Yes, this is the school.
Keywords: friend, weather, school. Key sentences: The weather is nice. I hope the class is friendly.
Hello, welcome to English class.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, please come in. You can sit anywhere.
Thank you.
Classroom, teacher, sit, welcome. Key sentences: Welcome to class. Please sit down.
Hi there. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Great, thanks. My name is Daniel. What's your name?
My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first English class?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. The teacher is very kind.
That's good to hear.
Keywords: name, seat, nervous, kind. Key sentences: What's your name? Nice to meet you. Don't worry.
Okay, everyone, let's begin. Today, we practice introductions. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is...
Hello, my name is Emma.
Very good. Now ask your partner, what is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Daniel.
Keywords: lesson, repeat, practice, partner. Key sentences: Repeat after me. My name is Emma. What is your name?
Open your notebooks, please. Write 3 sentences about yourself.
My name is Emma. I live in this city. I like English.
Excellent.
Keywords. Write, notebook, sentence. Key sentences. Open your notebook. Write 3 sentences.
So, why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel. And I want to speak with people from other countries.
That's a great reason.
What about you?
I need English for work.
That makes sense.
Keywords. Travel, work, break. Key sentences. Why do you want to learn English? I need English for work.
Okay, class, listen carefully. What did you hear?
I heard hello and how are you?
Good listening.
Keywords. Listen, hear, audio. Useful sentences. Listen carefully. I heard.
That's all for today. You did a great job.
Thank you, teacher.
See you next class.
See you.
Keywords. Finish, class, today. Useful sentences. That's all for today. See you next class.
Today was a good day. I learned many new words. English is not so scary now. I can do this.
Today you practiced introductions, listening, writing, speaking, important sentences. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. I understand. See you next class. Practice every day. See you next time.